Welcome to the Dirwin bike unboxing instructional video. First, open up the box with a scissors or box opener and lift out the bike frame. Take out the accessories box and remove the packaging. Inside, you'll find the quick release skewer, multi-purpose tool, pedals, headlight, and charger. Remove the protective packaging from the bike frame with scissors, allowing you to free up the front tire and handlebars. Use the multi-purpose tool to unscrew the bolts on the stem. Place the handlebars into the stem, adjust the handlebars to your desired angle, and refasten the bolts with the multi-purpose tool. Remove the protective cap from the front tire as well as the plastic bar from the fork. Then place the front tire into the fork. Carefully slide the front tire disc into the brake. Unscrew the quick release skewer, removing both the cap and the nearest spring. Push the quick release skewer through the fork and wheel hub. Then reattach the spring and cap on the other side. Tighten the cap until firmly sealed. Close the lever on the other side of the quick release skewer. Ensure that the front tire spins without excessive friction. Next, we'll need the multi-purpose tool to install the front fender and headlight. Remove the nut and bolt from the hole above the front tire, then place the headlight up to the same hole and reinsert the bolt without the nut. Place the front fender through the back of the fork and into place above the tire. Then place a washer through the bolt and fasten the nut. Use the multi-purpose tool and a wrench to tighten the headlight from the other side. Unscrew the bolt at the base of the fork, insert the fender, and refasten the bolt. Then, do the same to the other side. Insert the headlight cable to the back of the headlight as shown. Note that the pedals have a right and left marking. Insert the right pedal into the right side of the crankset and use a wrench to tighten until secured. apply the same procedure to the left pedal. Open the release lever and lift up the seat to your desired height. Then secure the lever. Remove the keys and inspect the battery. Reattach the battery, ensuring the base is secured to the frame without any obstruction. The charging cord will go into the port at the base of the battery. Turn on the bike and test that the LCD screen, switches, headlight, and taillight are working properly. Test that the gear shifter and bell are working properly. You're now ready to ride your Dirwin bike.